Okay, did you know most workout plans weren't originally designed with women's physiology in mind? No, seriously, they weren't. And even now, many programs don't account for how your body fluctuates throughout the month. This is why so many women feel inconsistent.
What this can often look like in real life is this. You have a upper body workout on your training plan today. You got to lift heavy. So you get to the gym, you load up your barbell, and the weight that felt manageable last week suddenly feels heavier. Okay. You notice that your body feels tight, your energy feels low, and your focus simply isn't there. You have one or two options, considering that your training plan says push, right? This is a progressive plan. So the volume, the weights will increase over time. You have one or two options. Either you force the workout or you skip it completely. Now, this is where most women feel frustrated because they feel like they're doing something wrong. But the issue isn't always discipline. Sometimes the structure you are following doesn't match what your body can actually handle that day. Many programs are built on a consistent output or a linear progression. But here's the problem with that: the body doesn't always operate that way. Let me show you. Now, on higher capacity days, which is what I call green days, you're able to push for a bit more of intensity. So, still an upper body day, we would opt for barbell rows. Now, we have more energy. What does this look like today? Well, we are able to load more weight. Okay, you're able to load more weight. You can handle more volume and you can move with power. Now, on our lower capacity days, which I refer to as our red days in the stress integrated strength system, that same approach won't always work well. So instead of opting for barbell rows and a heavier lift, I would go for dumbbell rows, a less load, slower tempo, and more controlled. Now, the difference here is we move with more intention. You're still training, you're just adjusting the stimulus. Both of these are effective. The difference is when you use them, and that's when most people get it wrong. See, they're trying to train at the same intensity every single session. But in my stress integrated strength system, we learn to adjust based on what our body can actually recover from. It's not that you're inconsistent. You may be following a structure that doesn't adjust with you. If you've been stuck in a cycle of pushing hard, burning out, and constantly restarting, discipline isn't your problem, but structure is. This is exactly why I created my 7-day reset, to help you rebuild consistency in a way that your body can actually sustain. To get started, I'll link it down below in the description box.